storing in the data types. Okay, so it indicates the specific type of column. First, what I'm doing here, so I'm create database name, data type. Okay, database name, I'm taking the corresponding name here, that will be the data types. Okay, data types. So select this and execute. So it is created the database successfully. Okay, after that you need to use the database. So the master will be the default thing. So here also we have the database, so but we are not using this database. This bunch of databases is there, so we are creating our own of database here. Okay, so here the use database name will be the data type. Is it, my voice is clear, right?
Clear this.
Okay, database name here, that is data types, right? Okay, this is data type. Okay, so I'm selecting and executing here. So successfully in drop down it is shown, right? So I'm going to create table first here. Create a table. Who's that? Newly joined. Srilata. Srilata and Varlakshmi, please concentrate here. I'm creating the beginning onwards here. Okay. So
Okay, Jayesh.
yeah, create table name means our table name. Okay, not a table name here, our table name. So here the table name I'm creating the database. Okay, sorry, types. Data types I'm creating here. So open parenthesis and here ID. ID will be the column name. So I'm specifying here the data type. Okay, the specific what is the column name, what is the column type I'm specifying here. Here I'm specifying the ID will be the int. Okay, so ID will be the int here. Okay, after another data type name, I'm taking the name. Okay, name will be the varchar. So here this is a string, right? So that's why I'm taking the varchar here. So the character, I'm taking the character uh, size will be the 50 I'm taking here. So age means what? That is int or varchar. Now can say anyone?
It's int.
Yes, it is int. So the age will be the int. Okay, why int? It is specifying the numbers. Okay, here salary I'm taking. Salary,
VARCHAR.
not varchar here. The salary will be the decimal.
Decimal.
Yes, exactly. The will be the decimal here. Decimal. Okay. So I'm taking the default thing will be the 10 comma 2 here. Okay. So here I will take the decimal. Okay. Okay. Next, is active. I will take here. So is active. I'm specifying here. This is what. So it is indicating the booleans. Okay. So
Boolean.
yes, booleans means what? It is zeros or ones. Means it is true or false. Okay. It is there or not, in that time will be used this. Okay. So I'm taking boolean b int here. Bit. Okay. So after that I'm taking the joining date. Joining date. So what is the join date here, Parisha? What the data type has to be specified here?
Basically, the date,
Yes,
like the.
date only.
Mhm.
Yeah. So here, last
One
line.
question.
Yeah.
Do you have to give like the format of the date too, or just like any date would work?
No, I'm not specifying any date format here, just I'm date only I'm specifying here. So
O-
you want to date format, that will be another one, not here. Okay,
Okay, thank
just
you.
control in your front end actually.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So here last login. So I'm specifying here date as well time. Okay, date as well time. We have type of data type also there. Okay. Work time, work shift I will take. Okay, work shift, work shift. It will be time. Work shift time will be status also varchar. Okay. So status will be the it is active or inactive. It will seen like that. So that's why I'm taking here the varchar. It will indicate the characters type. Okay, varchar. So here I'm indicating the 10 one, the size. So here description I will take. So it is there in a text format. Okay, description. Description it will be text format. Next. So I'm taking here lastly the constraints will be like a primary key. Okay, so what is primary key? Unique values. Constraints. PK means primary key I'm indicating here. Okay, so here the data type. After column another it will defines. Okay, so like primary key constraints define after column defines. So here the primary I will take suppose data type. Okay, data type primary key is 10. No, sorry, this is ID, right? So direct I'm giving ID here. Okay, so I'm indicating with a I'm ending with a semicolon. So here no. Okay, and with the semicolon here. So execute this all, execute this, execute. So the columns has to be created for see that. So here you can take insert. No, for saying that select star from table name will be data type. Okay, table name will be the data type. So select this. So we have created the columns, right? So ID, name, age, and inactive and joining and all the columns we have created. So you need to insert the data. Okay, so please see the syntax. Who will say? Gautam, unmute yourself and say how to insert the data using query. Gautam is there.
Yes, yes, please.
Yeah, please tell me how to insert the data.
Insert into table name.
Insert into table name or data types, right? Yeah. After
Brackets open.
open parenthesis,
We need to write all the
Column names.
column names. Yeah.
Please tell me the column names here. ID.
ID,
ID is there.
age,
There.
age,
Age.
salary
Salary
is active,
is active.
join date,
Join date. Okay.
last login,
Last login. Okay.
work shift,
Worksheet. Okay.
status.
Status. One second. Writing here. Status, right?
Yes.
Status.
Description.
Description. After.
Uh, we can close the brackets
Okay.
and we need to write values.
Values.
We need to write
Enter the data here.
yeah.
So open. Again parenthesis. So I'm taking here one. Here name. Tell me.
How we can, like for example, we can write
Understood. Age. You don't put.
we need you forgot comma after name.
Yes, comma. Exactly. After salary will be here. So what it is there in the decimal. Okay.
Point
So point you need to. Okay. So after that active. Active means we will indicate false. Why? Because the binary will be accept the only zeros and ones. Is active is there in a Boolean format. So Boolean will be considered true or false. So it will accept zeros and ones only. Okay. So here you need to take the joining bit. Right?
yeah, we can take today's date
Joining bit.
2020 01
Okay.
2025.
2025. Next,
Last login.
last login. So not last login. Actually, we have missed something here. Join date. Okay. Last login. So we need to indicate the time as well. Date. The last login date.
Yes.
So we will indicate the time. So time also they want to indicate it. So last login will be the same time, same date, and time will be time something like in the format I'm giving here. So it will show like this in a fractal. Okay. So here after that work shift will be 9 hours something. So you can keep the time same. So dot minute seconds. So here is there active status?
We can do active status.
Yes, we can give active status as well. Inactive status. Okay. So you can take the description as well. So it is there in the text format. So the description will be uh, the basic procedure in operation. Yeah, Neha. Yeah, Neha. Delete చేసేసిన కోడ్ లేదు నా దగ్గర. ఆహా. సరే సరే. Sorry for interrupt. So here with 8 years experience. Unmute yourself.